Where is the fuse box located in the 2022 Nissan Altima, and how can you identify each fuse's function? In this guide, we will explore the fuse box diagram and its location to help you troubleshoot electrical issues efficiently. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2022 Nissan Altima houses essential fuses and relays for key vehicle systems, including the engine and headlights. It is designed for easy access and labeled for quick identification of fuse functions. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2022 Nissan Altima is located under the dashboard near the driver's side. It houses essential fuses for interior electronics like power windows, dashboard controls, and infotainment.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.